Hello, I'm your English teacher. My name is Emma. Today we start simple. Just relax and look at me. What is your name?
My name is...
Nice to meet you. That's a beautiful name. Now tell me, how are you today?
I am good. I feel calm today. I am learning step by step, and I am happy to be here.
That's very good. I like your answer. Now tell me, where do you live?
I live in Brazil, in a small city. I am working and learning every day, and I want to improve my English.
That's nice. Your city sounds interesting. I like that you are learning every day. Now tell me, what do you do every day?
I work every day. I help people and I learn new things. I am trying to improve my life, and I practice English every day.
That's really good. I like your routine. You are working and improving your life. Now tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to relax and watch videos. I also like to think about my future and learn new things every day.
That's very nice. I like how you use your time. You are focused on your future. That's important. Now tell me, what is your biggest goal right now?
My biggest goal right now is to improve my life and grow every day. I want to learn English and have better opportunities in the future.
That's a great goal. I like your mindset. You are thinking about your future. That's powerful. Now tell me, why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English to improve my life and grow. I want better opportunities and to communicate with more people.
That's a great reason. I like your motivation. You want to grow and improve. That's very important. Keep going. You are doing very well.
Thank you. I am doing my best every day. I will keep learning, and I will not give up.
Now, let's practice together. I will say some sentences and you repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin.
I am ready. I feel good today. I want to learn. I am improving every day. I can do this. I am calm. I am focused. I am learning English. I speak a little English. I understand more now. I am getting better. I try every day. I don't give up. I believe in myself. I am confident. I work every day. I learn new things. I want to grow. I am building my future. I am strong. I wake up early. I go to work. I help people. I learn from mistakes. I keep going. I like to learn. I like to improve. I like this process. I enjoy learning English. I practice every day. I am patient. I am consistent. I am focused on my goals. I am changing my life. I am growing. I think about my future. I want a better life. I want more opportunities. I want to speak fluently. I am learning step by step. I listen carefully. I repeat the words. I train every day. I am improving my mind. I am doing my best. I feel stronger now. I understand more English. I am proud of myself. I will continue learning. I will not stop.
Listen, this is your daily practice. Repeat every word. Repeat my sentences and your answers. Do this for 30 days and your English will improve.
I, you, he, she, we, they, love, like, want, need, go, come, see, speak, work, help, learn, think, know, feel, house, home, room, door, window, table, chair, bed, phone, car, street, city, job, money, food, water, coffee, bread, family, friend, happy, sad, strong, weak, calm, tired, focus, peace, fear, hope, day, night, morning, today, tomorrow, now, always, never. Start, finish, walk, run, sit, stand, look, listen, talk, open, close, stop, goal, dream, future, change, grow, try, practice, improve, success, learn, people, world, life, time, way, place, voice, sound, light, path, yes, no, can, will, must, try, keep, move, begin, continue.
Good job. You finished today's practice. Repeat again later. Consistency is your power. Come back tomorrow. We continue together.